Hello friends, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on your time zone and when you meet this video. Welcome back to my channel. Here, like we promised, we'll try as much as possible to keep you updated with modern trends, technology, and how you may be able to apply them to your various professions. For today again, we are continuing with how we can adopt Chat GPT as a powerful tool that can assist teachers in the classroom, whether it be real-time classroom or an online classroom. This AI powered platform can assist you with your work. So today I'm going to show you that ChatGPT can not only handle theory or theory related subject, it can also help us with looking at calculations like mathematics. So right away I'm going to ask ChatGPT some questions using some prompts. Okay, so I'm going to say could you please give me two examples of long division for our pupil in grade 6. Let's see. So that's a prompt I've given to ChatGPT, and you can see very quickly it's responded with an answer. Okay, so let's look at it. Here is it: two simple division examples suitable for grade 6 pupil with step-by-step working. So we scroll down. Now it has given us an example, and we are saying divide 684 by 4. Okay, so look at the step. It's saying 4 goes into 6 once, which is 1 times 4 equals to 4. So bring down 8. When you have minus 4 from the 6, it gives you 2. So you bring down 8. Okay, so you now have 28. Then it says 4 goes into 28 7 times, which is 7 times 4 gives us 28. So bring down 4. It goes into it once, which is 1 times 4, no remainder. So our answer is what? 161. That's well explained. Let's look at example 2. Divide 1253 by 5. So we place it in a division symbol. So 5 goes into 5 goes into 12 2 times, which is 5 times 2, that's 10. So you bring down the 10 here. You say bring down the 5. When you subtract, you have 2. Then bring down the 5. You now have 25. 5 goes in 25 5 times, which is 5 times 5, 25. Then you bring down the 3. Okay, add decimal points and bring down the 0. So look at it here. Since 3 cannot be divided by 5, you write 0, add decimal point and bring down 0. Okay, so you now do 5 goes into 30, that's 6 times, and that gives us 6 times 5, which is 30. So our answer is 250.6. That's simple, right? That looks very simple. So even if you're not very certain of what you're doing, or you can use this to generate a lesson note like we said. It's very simple and time saving. Okay, so let me ask it again. Give me two examples on converting decimal to binary for JSS 1. Okay, so that's another prompt which I've given it. So that's quickly responded to. So have you seen it? So keep dividing the number by 2. Step 1, convert 13 decimal to binary. Steps: keep dividing the number by 2, write down the remainders, then read the remainders from bottom to top. That's simple. So this is it. 13 divided by 2 is 6, remainder 1. Then you bring the 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, remainder 0. Then you bring the 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. Then you bring the 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0, remainder 1. So you take the answers from bottom top. Your binary number is going to be what? 1101. Look at example 2. Convert 25 decimal to binary. We apply the same thing. You keep dividing the number by 2 and taking note of the remainder. So we start with the 25. 25 divided by 2 is 12, which is 24, so it remains 1. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6, which is 12, remains 0. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3, which is 6, remains 0. Then 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2, so it remains 1. Then 1 divided by 2 is 0, remainder 1. So our answer is 11001 base 2. The numbers we were given 25 had been converted to base 2 format. This is the base 2 format. Okay, so that is how to use ChatGPT for preparing a lesson, even in mathematics. Apart from teaching, it can be applied to any other profession you can think of. Any other profession at all, it can be applied. Okay, so let me say I want to teach something on English language, and I'm going to talk about let's say letter writing. So I can say, give me a sample informal letter suitable for teaching a grade 3 pupil. Let's see. Good. So this is a sample of an informal letter it has given me, suitable for teaching a grade 3 pupil. Okay, so this is the address: number 15 School Road, Lagos, 2nd July 2025. Dear Amaka. Okay, so it just gave me a letter. It didn't describe it, so I can go further to say, please describe, let me ask you to describe the parts of the letter for easy understanding. Please describe the letter for easy understanding. Of course, look at it. Now it has given it some section in address. This is where the writer lives. It is written at the top right corner of the letter. Look at it, the address. Date, this shows when the letter was written. It comes just below the address. Look at it. Then greetings or salutation. This is how you say hello to the person you are writing to. Use there and the person's name. Example, dear Amaka. The body of the letter. This is the main part of the letter. You talk about what you want to say, like school, family, friends, or fun things you did. Example is given. Then the closing. This is where you say goodbye politely. Example, with love. Signature and name. This is where you write your name so the person knows who sent the letter, Choma. So that's how you can imagine how it simply broke down this letter. Even a novice in the teaching profession can comfortably present this lesson using this model and this format that ChatGPT has given. Okay, so I hope you're learning something. It's just about you being able to give it the correct prompts. The prompts are the instructions you give to it, so it can generate for you your desired outcome. So if you're able to give it the correct prompt, it will do wonders. So stay tuned to this channel. If you see this video and it makes sense to you, do well to give it a like. You can drop a comment if there's any question you want to ask. If there's any aspect you want me to look at, you can drop it at the comment section. Don't fail to also share this video. You can share it with any teacher you know, and ensure that it reaches them so that they too can learn and ease themselves of the many pressure that the teachers face every day. Do well to subscribe, share this video, subscribe, and look out for our next video. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to evaluate your lesson or to even prepare your quiz and your examination questions. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.